Samsung is reportedly planning something big for the Galaxy S25 Ultra. There's news that the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip is using a lot of power. To handle this, many phone companies are increasing their battery capacity by 500 mAh in their upcoming flagship models. Initially, it was thought that Samsung would do the same. However, it looks like Samsung might stick with the same 5000 mAh battery for the S25 Ultra. But don't worry, because there's some good news. Samsung might introduce a feature called Battery AI. This feature could boost the S25 Ultra's battery life by 5 to 10%. How? It will stop unnecessary apps and processes from running in the background and draining your battery. You might wonder, isn't that what Battery Saver already does? Sure, Battery Saver modes do extend battery life, but they often slow down your phone by reducing the CPU and GPU performance. Interestingly, Battery AI won't do that. Instead, it focuses on improving battery life by cutting out unnecessary background tasks without affecting your phone's speed or 5G performance. If this is true, it could be a game changer. Imagine getting a 10% boost in battery life without needing a bigger battery or slowing down your phone. That's impressive, but I'm a bit skeptical. We already have AI managing battery life in current Samsung phones. These phones learn how you use them and adjust background tasks accordingly. Claiming that Battery AI will magically boost battery life by 10% sounds a bit too good to be true and might just be a fancy rebranding. Samsung will likely need to follow suit to stay competitive. With the expected redesign of the S25 lineup, fitting in a bigger battery shouldn't be too difficult. Moving on, there's a great opportunity to get a Galaxy Watch 6 for free. Samsung is currently offering a buy one, get one free deal on the Watch 6. That's right, buy one Watch 6 and get another one absolutely free. Just a heads up, though, this deal is only for the Watch 6, not the Classic version. However, if you're interested in the Watch 6 Classic, Samsung offers a 15% discount if you buy it through their Shop Samsung app. I'll include the offer links in the description. If you ask me, don't trust these sketchy rumors until a reliable source confirms them. I believe the last rumor more about Android companies increasing battery capacity by 500 mAh to handle the chip's power needs. This came from a reliable source. If Chinese phone makers are boosting their battery capacity, it makes sense. So what you guys think about it? Tell us your thoughts in the comments section below. If you have any questions, also give this video a thumbs up, and make sure to share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, as me signing off, thanks for watching, have a great day and keep smiling, and I will see you in the next one.
Go of the past, I close my eyes, embrace the black. Sleepless nights and headaches stack, restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose, what do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe